Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Futura 800 here. We're going to look at the bell. First, we're going to put a little oil on these rollers. This machine's got no miles on it. One owner. Never been serviced. Listen to these little feed rollers. They start chirping. Well, I think they're getting better. They were definitely chirping. So let's put a little red oil right here on the. Right here, they got a little pivot spot in there. Come on, there we go. And we'll just blow a little air through there. Move the oil through. But what we're going to work on today was the bell. So listen to this thing. It just makes it think. So let's see if we can improve that. I have a feeling the clapper down here is just touching the bell. That's what I'm going to say. So I have a feeling that it's just touching. Shouldn't be touching the bell. So let's see how we can adjust this. I was thinking about moving this bell on the mount. In fact, I'm going to try to flex that a little bit. Just like that. Let's see if that did anything. Nope. So I'm going to try forming this clapper itself. Let me find something to get in there with that I think is appropriate size bender. So it can be done with a lot of different things, but I think I got a bender that fits right on that shaft right there. And I'm going to give it a little twist. Don't think that changed things too much. Just going a little bit. How's that sound? That's a little better already. Okay, so all I did was move that clapper from touching the. Now there's a little bit of movement between the clapper and the bell when it's in stationary position. And that's it. Now, not all adjustments are the same, not all bells are the same. But that one is, that's how you adjust that particular problem. Let's try it up here in action. Oh yeah, a lot better. Alright, that's it today. Phoenix Typewriter, have a good day.